Okay guys, today I will share how we can add this download button in WordPress through Elementor. If you can notice, when I just click this button, then it's automatically start the download process. So yeah, let's jump on your WordPress dashboard. So at first you need to upload your existing file. So just go media and download your existing file. So I already download our existing file here, the PDF, so I don't need to upload any file now. So now you just go your Elementor editing panel, and here I will already design the structure, and this is our button. So click this button and go again the media, click this file and copy this link or URL, then go editing panel, then paste here, then click this gear icon, and you can see key, vertical var, and place the value. So at first you need to place the download, this is the key, then vertical var, then place your file name. Then I will just click this publish and go again our page, then just refresh this page and click again this download button, and yeah, it's working. You can see the file download are started. So yeah, see you in the next video.